Diesel engine cars rely on diesel injectors to relay the diesel to the engine. With all the dust in the air, together with the tiny particulates in diesel, these injectors get clogged with debris. The more clogged up they get, the more the engine struggles. If left unchecked, this will impact the fuel efficiency of the diesel engine, but in the worst case, the engine could get damaged from overworking itself. From stalls to difficulty with acceleration, you risk a lot of performance issues without a diesel injector cleaner. Instead of taking the chance, you can simply apply a diesel injector cleaner to fix the buildup issue. Being an essential part of a vehicle preventative maintenance, the quality of the diesel injector cleaner dramatically impacts its value. To save you some research work, we can recommend the best diesel injector cleaners available in the Lagos, Nigeria market today. Why buy a diesel injector cleaner? 1. It optimizes your engine's performance. When your diesel injector system is clean, your engine can breathe properly. This, in turn, improves its ability to accelerate, helps keep the engine stable when idling, and can even give you a bit more power. A clean burn goes a long way to help your diesel engine work at optimum performance. 2. It prevents stalling and engine damage. Those stutters your car makes with clogged diesel injectors are noticeable. It's basically your engine coughing. In compensating for this, it adds strain to the diesel engine and can cause overheating, leading to stalls. Diesel injector cleaners prevent these issues. 3. It helps the environment. Improving your fuel efficiency means you are reducing your carbon footprint significantly. Since the average vehicle produces over 4.5 metric tons of carbon dioxide, a quick treatment once in a while goes a long way to bring that number down. 4. It is a necessary preventative maintenance. And 5. The fuel economy benefits from it. Diesel injector cleaners are affordable and, so long as your car is in reasonably good condition, its effects last quite some time. It results in savings in fuel and repairs you'd need without the diesel injector cleaner. We recommend the JLM Diesel Injector Cleaner, a boutique Dutch brand renowned worldwide for its consistent and effective results. Visit the JLM lubricant store today and pick up your can of JLM Diesel Injector Cleaner.